Hello, it's me. Oh god. Yeah. I know what you're thinking. Mark, why the hell do you not have a good angle for your Pokemon card? Because I know. It sucks, alright? I don't have a tripod or anything to use my phone. I don't have a camera that has a tripod. This time, we aren't using Cherry Pepsi. We're using a can of Sprite, baby. Right here, I have 10 packs of the Battle Styles Sword and Shield packs. We are going to open these all up today and hope that we find something good. Alright, here we have all of our garbage. We're set that off to the side because nobody cares. And here we have all of our actual packs. I actually don't know who this dude is, so those probably gonna save this Empoleon one for last. We're gonna put him up here as our prize. We're just gonna get right into it. Open up the card of a pack of cards. Oh my god. Oh my god. What have I... Oh god. Oh, great way to start. Alright. Code. Okay. I can't do the card trick because I already messed the whole thing up. We got Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Murkrow, Tower of Darkness, Reverse... NANI?! Are you kidding? What is up with that? I have the other one of this in the box right here, so we're gonna sleeve him up right away. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright, for good luck, we're gonna set him here. Let's hope we don't get any more of those. Not that it's bad, it's just, you know, I want some variety. I want like some secret rares or something. I mean, hey, first pack, that's not too bad. Alright, Energy, should have tossed that. Escape Rope, Grumpig, Gligar, and Luxio. Tear it open just like your mom. Oh, hey, we got our code. Take it, I don't care. Okay, 3 to the front. We got our energy. Yes, get that out of here. All right, see what we got. Got a Per Ugly, and it's kind of rude. I don't gotta do her like that. A Tower of Darkness non-hollow. Girder, Glameow, Corphish. Waiting for it to focus. Scatterbug, Cubone, Murkrow, Reverse Hollow Pawniard. He looks kind of cool. And then a Drampa. I hate this guy. After all that build-up from last episode, this was what we got.
It's hideous.
Oh, come on, focus on my filthy hands. I actually clipped my fingernails since last episode, so they shouldn't be as dirty. I didn't work today, but I did get out of school. Today was my last day, guys. I'm almost graduated. Are you proud of me? Everybody comment down below. We're proud of you, Mark. 1, 2, 3. Energy, water. Stay hydrated, y'all. Carnivine. Make sure this is in frame. Swordward and Shieldbird. Squidward and Peelbird. No, okay, I'm sorry. Fomantis, Remoraid, Cubone, the homie, Pawniard, non-hollow. That I think that's a reverse. No, that's not even. I think it is because, like, you know, like the pattern right there, but it doesn't look very shiny. We're just gonna put it here just in case. We got a Conkeldurr. Ugly. That's also an ugly name. Like, imagine your mother carrying you for 9 months, going through all that pain as a woman in today's society, just to have a child. You named Conkeldurr, if I even said that right. I hope I'm not losing any of these packs behind my desk. Okay. Alright, code 1, 2, 3. You know, I have a good feeling about this one. Oh wait, this is energy? Yeah. Ugh, itching my nose, sorry. Durant. Camping Gear. Honchcrow. Cubone. Murkrow. Tepig. Hone Edge. Baltoy, and one more. Good one right here. Oh, never mind. Luxray. And a Flapple V full art. That looks nice. Trying not to get my juicy fingerprints all over it. Ooh, yeah, you're gonna sit right there. Put you right up next to Bruno. Focus, please. There we go. Okay, we're back. I kind of smacked my phone off of my can of Sprite because I'm stupid. But, yeah. We're back. Yeah, it's P. I don't know why I started reading the code. I just said P. Ha ha ha. P. It's funny. Yeah, energy. Kind of taking this slow because I don't want to knock my phone off because it doesn't have a case on it. I've already cracked like 800 screen protectors, and I can't be affording to do that, especially as often as I tend to catch myself. But we have an energy recycler, urn of vitality, girder, another bronzor. Did we just get that? Tepig, Pachirisu, Mindfu, Baltoy. Is that a reverse hollow? Like, I literally can't tell. If so, it's a... Yeah, I believe it is. This one's a little easier to tell. Houndoom. That one's pretty nice. And an Electivire. It almost looks shadowless if you look closely, but I'm sure it's not. Because I think that black line... It looks like part of the border, but I'm pretty sure it's a shadow. But that's a good-looking card, dude. I'm going to do my best not to actually look at the cards when I'm opening up the actual pack, just so I can get that element of surprise. We have code, 3 of the front, energy, get it out. We have a tool jammer, Golbat, Gliscor, Tepig. They love Tepig, I'm telling you. Hone Edge, Electabuzz. That's a pretty cool looking Electabuzz right there. To go with our Electivire, we have Baltoy, Gligar, a reverse hollow Phalanx, and an Aegislash. Almost just smacked my phone again. My wrist is so close to my can of cherry Pepsi right now. Okay, give me something good. Code, Bob. 1, 2, 3. You guessed it, to the front, and I'm gonna guess fire. Oh, second. Indeed, Phoebe. Hey, baby girl. She kind of. Oh, sorry. Carnivine, Salandit, Bronzor. They also love Bronzor. Cacnea, Spoink, Roly-Coly, Reverse Hollow Pignite, and a Claydol. I'm not really a big fan of the battle styles. If I have a pick of any sort of Pokemon cards, obviously other than just like the Shadowless packs, the XY Evolutions ones I think are the sickest, and they also have like the best pulls, I think. But here we have another Empoleon pack, aside from the last one that has the... I'm calling it now, there's a Charizard in it. Not even capping right now. It's hard to do this when you're looking at anything but the pack. All I know is that I saw a flash of yellow. But here we have our code. 1, 2, 3. Grass Energy. Phoebe, baby girl once again. Honchcrow. Bruxish. Pachirisu. Chimecho. Honedge. Horsey. Mankey, the homie Mankey. Have a reverse hollow Stonjourner, and another Claydol. They really want me to stock up on these Claydols, I guess, like they're going out of stock. It's like toilet paper. Oh yeah, that was... You know, these packs feel tighter than other packs that I've opened throughout all my days. You know what I mean? Alright. We have ZPR. I don't know why I keep trying to read them. You shouldn't be playing Pokemon if you can't read anyway. We got Energy, Bob. Alright. A good feeling about this one. This stack feels heavier than most. We have a Cacturn, so we can evolve our Cacnea. Level Ball. Single Strike Energy. Tepig once again. Honedge once again. The cool Electabuzz, except I think he has a different move, I'm not sure. A Baltoy. Can't stand him. Gligar. Absolutely nothing going for him. We have this reverse hollow Claydol. At least it's not a regular one. And we have what I'm calling now a good one behind it. Ooh! We have a Tapu Koko V full art. That is nice. Alright, we're gonna get some in-focus shots of that one, you know? That one is also getting sleeved up. Not too bad of pulls. We got more full arts already than we did from this whole box that we opened last time. But here, we're going to open up our final pack with the homie Empoleon on it. And I'm gonna cut to the chase. We're gonna tear into it if it'll let me. Of course, it's the last pack that gives me trouble. Okay, just took a knife to it. We opened it up the top. We're not going to look at this, so we're going to turn it around the other way. Okay, give me something juicy. Come on. All right. I haven't looked at the card yet. Here's the code. You can read it yourself. If you can't read it, why are you on my YouTube channel? Come on, focus. There you go. 3 to the front. Alright. We got Baby Girl. Heatmore, that's a new one. Fearow, also a new one from Gen 1. Right? Or Gen 2. I might sound stupid saying that, but Silicobra. Frillish. Houndour. Scatterbug. Hone Edge. Reverse Hollow Kingdra, and our last card of today's pull is a holographic Aegislash. That's actually pretty dope. I really like that holographic. We're gonna sleeve him up, sleeve up the rest of our hollows. No, the rest of our reverse hollows, I guess. Excuse me. And then do a quick review, and we'll be done. Alright, that will do it for today's episode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and want to see more stuff like this, please make sure to hit subscribe. Comment down below what you think about the cards. Insult me if you would like. I'm open to that sort of stuff. But thank you for watching yet again, and I will see you guys in the next video.